In this video, let us write the Verilog code for NAND gate using data flow modeling. Click on File, New Project. Now I'm giving name here as NAND underscore data flow modeling. So I'm going with the same location and work directory. Click on Next, Next and Finish. So project is created by this name. Now you have to write the source code. So right click, New Source, choose Verilog module. File name is NAND underscore data flow modeling. Next, Next and Finish. So here I have to write my source code. So here everything will be same as gate level modeling, only few changes will be there. I'll show you. So module name port list. Port list is nothing but output Y, A and B. Next we should write port declaration. So coming to port declaration, here output is Y. Inputs are nothing but A and B. Next comes our actual logic. So here I'm writing using data flow modeling. So in order to write using data flow modeling, we have to use continuous assignment statement. So here the keyword for this is assign. So I'm assigning output Y is equal to A dot B whole bar. So A dot B whole bar should be written like this. So A dot B. So A dot stands for AND. So A and B. So I have to do the complement for this. So that's why I'm using negation symbol. So this is nothing but A dot B whole bar. So next comes AND module. Save it. So let us see whether this way of writing is correct or wrong. So in data flow modeling, directly you can write the Boolean expression by using a keyword called as assign. So click on synthesize. So if any errors are there, you can view them in either error tab, or else if you get any warnings, you can see them in warning tab. So here if you observe warnings and errors are not there, and coming to console window, synthesis is completed successfully. So to view the RTL schematic, double click and view the internals. Next, let us test whether this is working fine or not by writing a test bench. So in order to do that, right click, new source, Verilog text picture. So NAND underscore data flow modeling test bench. Click on next, next and finish. So module NAND underscore data flow modeling test bench. Inputs are treated as registers, output are treated as wires, and this is a UUT, unit under test, for which I am writing the test bench. So next comes initial begin. So after this I have to write the test vector. So initially A and B are 0. So now here A will be 0. B will be 1. So simply I am following the truth table. So that's why you can copy paste this 2 times. So after 0 0 0 1, next comes 1 0, after this 1 1. Next, in order to see the result in console window, add $monitor statement. If you don't know about this, please go back and watch my previous videos. $monitor $time. So I want to monitor 3 variables. So Y is equal to percentile B, A is equal to percentile B, B is equal to percentile B. Next output Y, A and B. Save it. In design window, click on simulation, choose your test bench, elaborate iSIM simulator, double click behavioral check syntax. So no errors are there. Double click on simulate behavioral model. So I got some waveform. Let us see whether this is correct or wrong. So here Y stands for output and A and B are nothing but input. See here, at this particular time interval, 0 into 0 is giving 1. So NAND gate means 0 into 0 is 0, complement 1. Okay, correct. Next 0 into 1 is 0, complement is 1. Correct. Next 1 into 1 is 1, complement is 0. Next 1 into 0 is 0, complement is 1. Right. It is working fine. The same result you can view it here in the console window. I hope you have understood what I have taught. If you have really understood, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.